Hi, Andrea.
Hi, Tim.
How's it going?
Great, thanks.
We have a house that's not yellow anymore.
No, it's so exciting. It's actually painted. It's gray. It's Argos gray.
It's Argos.
Yeah, not
gray.
to be confused with Westchester gray next door or whatever.
Yeah,
Gray
that's a lighter gray, and then our neighbors over here have a darker gray. You can see that one there, but it's the gray row here.
Oh, you have a garage looking.
But it is.
Store.
We have a garage door. This is exciting. All right, more to come. We have Andrew's checking out the beeper number there to open up the garage door from there. Nice. Oh, very cool. All right, more to come. Stay tuned. So walking in through the front door here, there's our front door. They still have some painting to do. It looks like some touch-up work and some trim work to go. But, go into the main hallway here. I guess I'll kind of do, that's looking all the way towards the back of the house. If I come around this way, we'll do the guest bedroom and the guest bathroom. So here's the bathroom. We have electricity. So there I am. Got the light fixtures up there. Got a tub. Our construction manager said that it's pretty much mostly done. Got a lot of work to do yet though. Doors to hang. Here's the closet back here. Looking out on the front of the street here. All right, we continue on through here. This is the big open room, the flex room that's going to be Andrea's office. And then this is the great room. So in that spot used to be a big box that had the dishwasher. When I get over to the kitchen, we'll be able to see that that's been installed. But kind of a recessed ceiling up there. That's where the TV is going to go. And then over here to the kitchen. I'll play around in the kitchen here in a little bit. So we have a dishwasher.
Yay. Can I close it?
Yes.
Okay.
There's the dishwasher. Here's our sink. With the faucet that moves like that. That's where the fridge is going to go. Cabinets, cabinets, cabinets. Gas stove. Andrea is measuring stuff in the pantry. Here is the, pull that out of the way. So the convection oven, microwave, and then the lower oven. Little light that comes on, and there's the pantry.
Yay. With 12-inch shelves.
With how many shelves?
12-inch.
12-inch shelves, all righty. And then I'll show off one of my favorite things. When you open up the drawers,
Oh.
it has the easy close. I'm fascinated by that. That's awesome. So now walking from the kitchen great room area, this is the main bedroom. Again, our view looks back out on the berm in the back. And we'll come in here is the bathroom. So wood floor to tile. I'll turn on lights. Looks like some of the builders are fans of Circle K. Oh, that's the fan works. Oh, more. There we go. There I am again. We have our light fixtures up there. So one other big thing that needs to get done is the shower enclosure. That's the shower. Then there's this little space area here where we could put up, I don't know, we could put a shelf or towel racks. This is what we keep calling my closet, which is the little towel closet, linen closet. This is the room with the commode. Turn that on. So we have, got a fan. And then back here is the the large walk-in closet. So we have a couple of shelves there. It's a big closet to have to fill up here. So I'll spin back around, make everybody dizzy. There's Andrea. Very exciting.
I swear, it looks like the house next door is the same color.
Suddenly we're obsessing over the color of the house.
Yeah.
Now that we see it. And here we go out onto what's going to be the lanai. So this will be getting screened in here. But we have, this is all the screened in area, and then we have the extended patio here. Take a look out here along the side of the house. This way, there's Andrea. Andrea has befriended the neighbor next door through a Facebook page. So she's gonna go visit their house, probably take some pictures to send to that person. But there's our water and gas hookup. And then we have another one out here, and boy, they do look similar side by side, don't they? the cars. I don't know how well it's coming through on the video, but you can tell there's a slight difference between our house and the house next door. Not much. So this is new too. This is the evaporator part of the HVAC system. It looks like it is all connected. So that's actually a new thing. And we have our water, gas, and I believe that's the hot water heater. The tankless hot water heater. So our side of the house. These are the neighbors over here. You can see they already have their sod. You can kind of see the property line as we go along here. The interesting thing is this is the property that we bid on first. So in order to start building out here, we actually had to bid on the lot. It was a blind type of auction bid. And if you had the highest bid, you got the lot. If you didn't have the highest bid, you got to try again, which is what we did. And now it turns out we're gonna be right next door neighbors to the people that outbid us the very first time. So I've been, each week we come out, I climb up the berm here. I haven't fallen yet. It's always a first time. But as I climb up the berm to the very top, kind of give you a view of the neighborhood here. So you can kind of see it's getting warm. The sun's coming out. Kind of see houses in various states of completion. And still being worked on. So the blue house there, we're pretty sure there's people living there. This house next to us looks like it's ready to be moved in. Our closing date is March 10th. Hopefully that's going to stay put. And then the neighbors just next to us, they still haven't gotten painted yet in the back. But as you look beyond, you can actually see more houses being built. So our road is called Heron Road, and the one that is directly behind me is actually a big circular road called Dreamscape. And Dreamscape makes a big circle, and then there's two roads that bisect Dreamscape. There goes a person on a bicycle. One is our road, Heron Road, and the other is called Daisy. So, walking down the berm here slowly, without falling, very good. We think Irina's watching. So if she is, there's your house, Irina. Still needs some paint in the back, and got a picture, or your evaporator HVAC part is also installed. Here's the back of our home. And this will be all screened in. Hey, Andrea.
Okay.
So we're stopping by the, what is this called? The rec center?
Argent Lakes.
It's Argent Lakes, but it's the amenity center. There's a restaurant over there, but also the golf course is over there.
And the pickleball courts.
Pickleball courts are over there.
Over there.
This is the outdoor pool.
Oh, pool is closed.
It is definitely closed because there's a big sign. And on the other side of the pool, that's the dog park, is over on the other side of the pool. There's another dog park on the other side, on the south side. We got some palm trees, got a nice flag, but this is usually a pit stop for us, either coming in or going out, which is what we're doing now.
We're stopping at the lake house.
So we're stopping at the lake house. So this is the backside. Coffer just hit a shot there. So this is the backside of the Argent Lakes Amenity Center. It's actually a pretty good shot. Put it right up on the green. But we're playing some pickleball down there. But they got tables and chairs and things like that out here for you to relax. Relax by the lake. Nice little fire pit. And then the other side of the pool. Forgot to mention there's an exercise center here too. So they got a gym and exercise area, various machines.
Hi.
Hello. Yeah, just turn the music down.
Yep.
I'm gonna try backing out here and we're gonna close out the video.
Yep. We are leaving the Sun City Lake House area.
Yeah.
Which the lake house is the amenity area up on the north side. So, but the north side, not the Argent Lakes, because Argent Lakes will be its own center. And a lot of people actually come up here because there's a walking trail, which we won't see because I'm flipped this way.
All right. So, actually was progress. I meant to tell you, I don't know if I said it out loud, the outdoor evaporator part of the HVAC is connected.
Oh, okay.
It's not just sitting there. So, more progress. We're not thinking there was a lot of progress, but there was some.
I mean, there was. It was obviously painted, which, is a big thing.
But it's not done, painted. There's some big things that are obvious that, I gotta watch my screen, that needs to be finished. Like the shower enclosure.
The shower enclosure. My arm hurts. I am so bad at this.
The shower enclosure, the screen in the Lanai. So a few things yet to be done, but progress, and we're still being told March 10th.
Yep.
So what do you think? How many paws do you want to give it?
I guess we'll give it 3.5.
3.5, not 4.
Okay, we can give it 4.
4.
We can give it 4.
I'm trusting in Brian, our construction manager. He'll get it done.
I'll get it done.
So, thanks for watching the video.
Yeah, or they'll go, oh, screened-in porch. We forgot about that.
But we can move
Just
in
kidding.
without a screened-in porch.
Yes,
It's the things that need to be done that aren't.
exactly. Yeah.
That's all good. So,
Okay.
we're excited. Getting closer.
All right. Yep.
All right.
All right.
See you down the road.
Bye for now.